Hey everybody, I bought this BLACK+DECKER AC. I bought it a little over a month ago, about a month and like 5-6 days. When I first bought it, it worked. You know, we didn't have it on all the time because it was some cool days, but we have it on. For the most part, it worked. Cooled the space and everything. Now, you see it's 68. I don't know. When I touch here, it feels cool. The air is cool. But let me show you the temperature. Gotta show you the temperature. See, 68 cool. We'll go here. $79. And it's been running. It's been running since I got off work yesterday at 5. It's been running. I don't know what to do. It's not emptying water. Just very little water is coming out. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm just heartbroken because I paid so much money for this. And it's hot. And now we really need it. And it's not doing nothing. I've unplugged it and plugged it back. And then played around with the buttons. Nothing. So I'm gonna call BLACK+DECKER and see if they'll help me. But and I'll let you know what happened with that. But for $500+, don't do it, y'all. Don't do it. I don't know how people said they were able to use this the whole summer. And here the summer just really got started for me and nothing. I can touch it. It's not even really cold air. It's cool air. But it's not even cooling this space here. So that's my review, you all. And this is an honest review.
However, we really just wanted it to take the edge off. This is our Smart Pro thermostat. There's a module outside that measures the temperature. So it's 80.6 degrees out. And inside's the bottom temperature, which is 71.1 degrees. So you can see that this air conditioner, even though it's smaller than this rated for the space, it actually keeps it quite cool in here. In fact, it usually keeps it around 70 degrees. I just barely turn it back on. To prove it, I'll walk over here across the room to a thermostat that we have here that tells me the degrees in the cabin is currently 71. So even though it doesn't get down to 64 as we have it set to, it does keep the cabin cool enough that it's bearable when it is 80 degrees outside. So if you're looking for something that's cost effective, I think we paid $350 for it on sale. I would highly recommend the BLACK+DECKER portable air conditioning unit.
se necesita como ajustar que inventen algo para poder ajustar a la dirección de vivienda.
No, it's not going this way.
I don't know if it's me, but I put the swing on the app, and I don't see no swinging.